Independent garage owners are being urged to put their website to work and consider it as another member of staff which, correctly optimised, will look for customers by answering their Google questions before converting their inquiries into bookings. What's more, a productive website can also empower workshops to be selective when it comes to choosing which work they undertake, as Jim Lang of specialist website agency Garage Services Online explains.
If you can say no down the phone to work that you know will hardly cover its costs, because you're confident that you've got a website that, in effect, will bring in the work that you want to have coming in, that's transformative.
It's an intriguing proposition and one that hundreds of independent garage owners are successfully adopting, including Carl Regan of Nottingham-based Arnold Garage, who commissioned Garage Services Online to revamp his workshop's online presence to ensure his recent £250,000 move to a new premises reaped a full return on investment.
Well, I'm not a businessman. That's the first key. I'm not a businessman. People call me a businessman. I'm not. I'm just generally a mechanic that fixes cars and has a good team around me, and a nice garage now to go with it. We're a busy garage anyway, and then with the online services, we get more inquiries, so we can kind of cherry pick what we actually want to do. We can actually go for the more profitable jobs, the quicker jobs, the faster turnaround jobs. I feel like I've touched every car in Nottingham. There can't be any cars that I've not seen. New customers coming from far and wide, everywhere.
We've set Carl up following the same paradigm that we do for all our customers. We identify what's important to him. We look at how people are creating, or how people are searching locally to him, and then we create the content that marries to how people are searching for him. And then it's the appearance of the website, it's how that content is then laid out within the website that actually ensures you have a good pipeline of customers for those specific things. But in Carl's case, and obviously his new premises very much helped in this in terms of capacity, but he's now getting 4 times as many customers than he had previously. And when we looked at the facts, over 20% more first-time customers.
It was actually very straightforward, if I'm honest. It wasn't particularly difficult. I had numerous conversations with George. I felt very comfortable with George. Kind of got the same conversation level. And we just did a 20-minute interview over the phone, I think, with another lady. And it just propelled from there. It was simple. Within weeks, we was up and running.
If you've had the ability to identify within your business those individual repairs and services that you know are to be the most profitable, that actually gives you the opportunity to reinvest in the business, you need to have an industry-specific website. If you've just got generic content that everybody else has, how is Google going to discern you as being the better answer to a question over your neighbours, and therefore how you're going to get new customers coming in or the right type of customer coming in?
Garage owners pre-qualify the work they want with Garage Services Online, who generate bespoke content to target potential customers using Google to find a garage. What's more, ongoing support means workshops can tweak their online presence through Garage Services Online to ensure they continue to target the right customers.
So in summer, we'd probably target motorbikes more, because that's when they come out. We'd like the motorbikes to be the online presence there, more keywords towards that, and then during winter we'll obviously do winter servicing, antifreeze checks, so you can literally chop and change.
All our websites are accessible at a very low monthly cost. We want to give all the independents up and down the country a fair go at it. Our aim and our goal has always been to come up with a solution that in many ways outrivals the budget of the main dealers and the networks.
For further information on how to put your website to work, go to the Garage Services Online website.